everyone, my name is Lydia Dinda. I'm from 7A. My major is English Literature from Methodist University of Indonesia. I'm going to present about psycholinguistics. For the specific one is the stages of language production. Okay, let's move to the first slide. What's the meaning of psycholinguistics? Psycholinguistics is the study of how the human mind produces and understands language. Although all the language is at its heart creative, there are specific types of creative language that have attracted attention from language researchers due to an assumed deviation from a utilitarian mode of communication. Okay, the next slide is psycholinguistic aspect of language. So many different aspects of language, from language acquisition to syntax and semantic, phonology and morphology. And then I'm gonna to explain about language production is our the main of the title. Language production is the production of spoken or writing language. In psycholinguistics, it describes all the stages between having a concept to express and translating that concept into linguistic form. And then there are some stages of language production. The stage involved, the first one is intended message. The second one is encode message. The third one is encode linguistic form into speech model system. And then the fourth one, sound goes from speaker mouth to hearer's ear auditory system. And then the fifth one is speech is decoded into linguistic form. And then the sixth one, linguistic form, is decoded into meaning. There are three models of language production. The first one is serial model. And then, what's the meaning of serial model? A serial model of language production divides the process into several stages. For example, maybe one stage for determining pronunciation and a stage for determining lexical content. And then the serial model does not allow overlap of these stages, so they may only be complicated one of that time. And then the second model is connectionist model. Connectionist model means, according to his connection model, there are 4-layer processing understanding. And then semantic, scientific, morphological, and phonological. These work in parallel and in series with activation. At each level, interference and misactivation can occur at any of these stages. Production begins with concept and continue down from there. And then the third model is lexical access model. This model states that the sentence made by a sequence of processes generating differing levels of representation. For instance, the functional level representation is made on the preverbal representation, which is essential what the speaker seeks to express. This level is responsible for encoding the meaning of lexical items and the way that grammar forms relationship between them. And then what's important to learn to know of language production? And then language is a vital part of human connection. Although all the species have their ways of communicating, humans are the only ones that have mastered cognitive language communication. Language allows us to share our ideas, thoughts, and the feeling with others. It has the power to build societies, but although let tear them down. Okay, that's all of my presentation about language production. Thank you for your attention. I hope you like it and then you enjoy it. Thank you for Sir Eson to give me this stage to explain about and present about what's the meaning of language production and what's the stages of language production. Thank you guys. See you.